Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll see how to analyze an image using histogram in Python. So let us begin. So for this, what all you need is a VS Code editor or any IDE as per your choice to run the code. The second thing is the MatPlot library and the OpenCV module. To install this, simply type pip install matplotlib in your command prompt and pip install OpenCV Python in your command prompt. After it, you need a sample image. Now let us move ahead to our code. So this is our code. Over here, first of all, we have used two libraries to visualize the image. First one is the matplot library and the second one is the OpenCV. Now to load the image, we are using this imread function. Over here, you have to edit the path as per your image path. After it, we are resizing the image using this resize function. Now to show the image, we are using imshow function. Now this hist is the inbuilt function and the matplot library. So we have to simply write plt.hist, and to display the histogram we have to simply write show. Now let's see exactly how it will be. So for it, I'm running the function. So over here you can see this is our image and this is the histogram. Over here you can see the 0 to 255 represents the BRG color code, that is its value goes from 0 to 255, that is 256, that is equivalent to 2 raised to 8, and these are the number of pixels in it. So in this way we can plot the histogram using this inbuilt function of this matplot library. And if you want the code of this, then you can simply move ahead with the description, in which the link of the website is given from where you can get the code easily. Hope you will like it. Thank you.